Hey everyone, Pharaoh over here, and I just want to do a very quick video, just a Terramine tip for everyone, because I have been getting this question a lot, and I did not want to reply 50 times. I would rather do a video about it, because it takes less time for me to make this video than it would to reply to all the comments. So, I'm going to talk about how you actually get a mine officially active again after a certain number of days. So as you all know, you have to keep a mine active as of right now every 180 days in order to earn. And if you don't get it active within 365 days, it is deleted entirely. So I'm going to show you how to do this, but before we do, if you want more Terramine videos and other beer money videos like these, would you please All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to tap one of your mines, obviously. So we'll tap one and we'll go to manage property. So I'm going to go ahead and tap manage property. I almost said tab there. I'm going to tap this and you will see the mines that you're looking for here. And there are three options. And basically, in order to make this mine active for the day, you only have to pick one of these three options to do. So the first one would be the conveyor belt or whatever the daily is. You would tap this. So we'll tap it and you just simply tap start conveyor. And this is the first way to do it. It is officially active, and that's all you have to do. Now, when you do the rock conveyor, it's going to give you one of four materials. Two of them are common, one is uncommon, and one is rare. You do have the option to watch an ad to get 2 additional attempts, and you can do this up to 3 times per mine per day. All right, I'm going to go back here and show you the second one, which is the mini game. Now, we've gone through this mini game in the first look, but basically you just play the mini game, and that also counts as keeping it active. We're going to go to the third one here, and that is doing the upgrade. So if you get an upgrade done, so basically you go over here and you have all the required, then you just watch an ad to unlock this upgrade, and then you can upgrade your mine. Once you upgrade the mine, it also officially counts as active for the next 6 months. So those are 3 of the 4 ways, and the fourth way is if you receive a check-in from another user. So if someone checks in and grabs your parcel and checks in and views the activity log, they will also give you Terrabucks on top of it, and that will also count the mine as active as well. I'm going to show you a fun little trick that you can use to make sure that you get your most inactive mines active if you have hundreds or thousands of mines down the line. All right, so in order to get the most inactive mines, all you have to do is go to your profile. Let's go to inactivity. So you're going to tap inactivity. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tap it. You want to make sure that the inactivity has the down arrow on it. All right, because that will determine which one is the least active at the very top. And then you can just tap it at the very top, and there you go. So let me go ahead and tap the conveyor belt, start conveyor. And then I'm going to go back and back. And you see that it is now back at the bottom because it is now the most active mine. All right, so this was a very quick tip for you all for Terramine. I am going to have a video out on the kind of the early adopter's guide to Terramine, so that way you know what an early adopter is in a typical play to earn sense for those of you that are new to this. So I will have that out on Wednesday. I do have a couple other videos out Saturday and Monday that are Atlas Earth related. And then of course, the following Saturday is going to be a beer money review of Fit Cash. So be sure to check those out then, everyone. That is the video. I would make this a little bit longer, but honestly, I just wanted to get this video out because I had so many comments asking me what makes a mine active. Well, now you officially know, at least as of July 23rd, 2026, this is what is active. So like this video if you like it and have learned something today. Comment and let me know in the comment section below. If anything changes, again, I will let you know right here on the Pharaoh Silver YouTube channel. Also, big thanks to my YouTube members: Gold, Brandtastic07, and Silver, Poker Mouse, Proud Mama 0907, and EY Spirit Seekers, as well as Beer Money Insiders, Ashley Stanfield, Kristen O'Neill, Disturbed Doge, Josh42, and the Board Game Sports Network. If you want to check out more Terramine information, I have a new Terramine video on the left that just came out yesterday, and on the right is some Atlas Earth content as well. I am Pharaoh Silver. I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.